Hi everyone. Now we're going to talk about events in the community and we're going to start with brainstorming some ideas. So have a look at this picture because this is the street carnival. You can see us eating there, me and my cousin, and there's the stage and you can see all over here is the car park. This is an event that we have, a street carnival in our local area. So I'm going to read about it, and all you need to do is listen and try and visualise. We have a street carnival twice a year. There are market stalls for a stage. There are market stalls, a stage for music and dance performances and tables. It is set up in a car park. There are tables and chairs everywhere. There are food trucks. People buy food from the food trucks and eat at the tables. They talk and they watch the performers. So you can see here that it's not very exciting sentences. So what we're going to try now is using the 5 senses, and that is what you can see, what you can touch, what you can hear, what you can smell, and what you can taste to describe all of those things that are happening in the event. So let's look at some of these 5 senses at the bottom. We've got bright, so I can see that's something that I can see, something bright. Salty, something that I can taste. Drumming, that's something I can hear. Lights, that would be something bright. Smoke, something I can smell. Shine, probably something I can see again. And soft, something I can touch. And music, something I can hear. So let's have a look. At the street carnival, from the stage. At the street carnival, bright lights shine from the stage. At the street carnival, bright lights shine from the stage. Already it's sounding better. My mouth burns from the hot and chips. What type of chips are they? Something I can taste, salty. And I move to the something that fills the air. I move to the, not to the smoke, move to the drumming, music that fills the air. The something cushion keeps me comfortable. That would be the soft cushion that I can feel. That's the touch. As I eat my dinner, smoke from the barbecue fills my nostrils. So already we can see that it's painting a much more interesting picture than if we just had those boring sentences. So we've got bright lights shine from the stage. My mouth burns from the hot and salty chips. And I move to the drumming music that fills the air. The soft cushion keeps me comfortable as I eat my dinner. Smoke from the barbecue fills my nostrils. So already our writing is a little bit more interesting. Now let's brainstorm your ideas. Think of an event. Now I think there is a fireworks event near Rowena. Let's have a look. What might you be able to see there? Would you be able to see hard concrete? That's not probably what you would notice. You might be able to see flashing. Would you be able to see flashing lights? You might move those in. What could you taste? Not wet grass. You wouldn't taste the wet grass. Sweet cake, sausages, rainwater. Maybe you can taste rainwater on your tongue. What can you smell there? Can you smell sausages? Or could you smell sweet cakes or wet dogs? That's definitely something I can smell when my dog's been out in the rain. What can you hear? Could you hear people cheering, or can you hear screaming fireworks? Have a look down here, or loud crashing. And what can you touch? What can you feel when you're there? Can you feel soft mud or wet grass or hard concrete when you sit down? So maybe move those across and build up a picture of what it looks like when you're at your event. And then you can even write some of your own. At the end, put them into sentences and see if you can create a picture just by using the 5 senses.